You'll never get old if you eat these 15 anti-aging foods. Number 5. Papaya. Papaya is a delicious superfood rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is especially good for improving your skin elasticity and fighting against those free lines and wrinkles. Papaya is also rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamins A, C, K, A, and B. Papaya also contains the enzyme papain, which is known as one of nature's best anti-inflammatory compounds. So make sure you add this fruit to your diet and also use products containing papain. They can help your body shed dead skin cells, leaving your skin more elastic and glowing. You can eat papaya for breakfast or make a papaya mask for the evening. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fats that boast a plethora of health benefits such as fighting inflammation and lowering the risk of heart diseases. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids have also been linked to improved skin health. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory qualities, salmon is probably one of the most popular types of fatty fish, and research shows it is particularly good for your skin health. Salmon contains a carotenoid antioxidant called astaxanthin. This carotenoid gives salmon its pink color. Research associates astaxanthin with improved skin elasticity and hydration. Another important compound we should not forget about is selenium. Fish is generally rich in selenium, which plays a major role in DNA synthesis. So add more fatty fish to your diet to have a lasting glowing skin and reduce inflammation in your body. So far, before we move on to the next food, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos.